Today I want to try something different in terms of makeup, meaning I want to do a makeup with a color that I've never put on my face before, and that color is yellow. I have here my palettes, a shiny and a matte one. I'm not sure which color I will use or what type of makeup I will make, but we'll see. Let's get creative. This is how it looks so far. It's weird, but let me add some more. After I build up the pigment and I added a little bit of gold, this is how it looks. I will add a liner and finish up the look. This is the final look. I really think that a good liner makes a makeup better. And now let's find something to wear with this makeup. After researching a couple of minutes something to wear with this yellow makeup, I've only found two items in my closet that have yellow in them. This is the only entirely yellow item that I have, and something that I also created. I don't wear yellow. And the second one is this dress that just has some yellow in it. That's the only thing that I have with yellow. I will choose this dress and let's style it. Let's start with some layering. I have a turtleneck that I will choose to have under the dress, but I also have another blouse. I also have this blouse. I know you cannot see much, but I like the sleeve because it's like this. I just realized that I cannot wear the turtleneck because I will ruin the entire makeup. So we'll go with the second option. This is how it looks so far. I really like this combination, and also black tights. But I also want to add one more detail, the purple corset, because my dress has purple in it and I think it really spices up the look, exactly as I thought. What I also like about this look is how these strings right here are coordinated with this and with my earrings. I really like this coordination in terms of textures. I want to show you the shoes. They have black, yellow and red, exactly like my outfit. You don't even know how old these are.